Alright everyone, what is going on? Welcome back to the ZHP Garage. I hope you guys are all doing well today. So today, we are waiting on parts. As you saw from the title of the video, we're still waiting on parts. So we're basically just going to go over a general overview of what we got done so far in the past week. We've gotten a good amount done to the firewall and the whole front group area. And we also had the AC show up, so we're going to show you that in this video. But you know, we're still waiting on the parts to be able to bolt the oil pan together, complete that, and we're also waiting on the flywheel to show up so we can bolt the transmission onto the engine and, you know, get that permanently bolted together and completed so it can be set into the engine bay here. So let's get with the master mechanic. We're going to talk with him and see what we got for an update.
What's going on, YouTube? Just want to give you a quick little update on what's going on with the Nova. Been working on the firewall, got all the holes filled in. Looks pretty trick. This used to be the blower, then it had, you know, miscellaneous holes where the box was mounted, some holes where the firewall pad, you know, the nipples come through. Then this here was a gas pedal, and the speedo cable right here, some other hole right here, master cylinder, and the slave all mounted. These are drilled. You can see that these are going to be 2 more bolts to give some more support to the firewall. And we got both front brake lines all the way ran. And I drilled the frame like I was talking about and tapped it so the brackets are just screwed right into the frame. And it runs across right here. I kind of kicked it up a little bit here in the middle in case somebody has a floor jack on here. With, you know, the corners of the jack kind of might pop over the top. So kick the brake line up a little bit. So we're still waiting on the miscellaneous, you know, the brake line on this side and the stuff for the engine. But the next thing is probably I'm gonna have to do, I still haven't done the bracket for the 2 fuel line and returns going to be back here, so that's what I'm going to do next. This hole here I'm going to open this up a little bit and put a grommet in here. This is where the whole harness, engine harness is going to go through, so all the wires are going to go through right here. The whole firewall be completely sealed, so no wind noise, no whistling going down the road, so that's pretty cool. So we put the steering shaft in it just to make sure everything's going to clear, the brake lines, everything are going to clear. Probably do a little heat wrap on this brake line right here. And I'm probably going to take out this jam nut. There's 2 of them. These 2 jam nuts. I'm probably going to weld this shaft because these 2 guys here really close to the header. So that's where we are on the firewall and everything. So we had some parts show up for the AC. So let me grab that real quick. We got some AC. So it comes with the lines. I told them I'm going to be running the C5 compressor. It's still a little universal, so I don't know if all these lines are going to be able to use them. I might have to tweak them a little bit or maybe make some new ones. We got the receiver dryer, cute little guy, little vintage air. And we got the condenser. They're pretty small on the Nova, but you don't have much room for anything bigger. Should work out good though. Then we have some of the lines. Like I said, it's universal. You can see where it's just, there's nothing on this side. They just have the one side compressed, and then it comes with 2 fittings, the high side and low side. So once you determine where the lines are going to be, you cut it, and then you need to I'll have to get the ends compressed onto it. It comes with the hard lines on the evaporator for the heater and the evaporator. So yeah, it comes with everything. It's got the high pressure switch. Ready to go. And here's the main deal, the main dish. The HVAC box, the whole assembly. This thing is really a trick because it comes with electric actuators now instead of the old mechanical cable operated deal. So now everything's a little actuator. It's got a little module. Pretty nice little setup. Makes this thing all modern. Really trick. Lines are all threaded. No hose clamps. So hopefully nothing will come loose and get you leaking inside the car. Only problem is you kind of lose a little bit of the glove box. Because the box is bigger, your glove box shrinks down. So you get this cute little glove box. But it comes with all the lines to go to the HVAC box. I got it for the Nova. I mean, it's for the Nova. It says right here for a 62, 65 Nova. But it comes with these little block offs, which is a little big. I mean, this is the whole of the old blower right there. So it's still a little universal. And it comes with this plate, so if you don't weld the whole, if you don't weld your dash up, this design, you could probably trim this, line up with some of the old studs, and go on there. But we're just going to put the holes in the firewall where we're not using this because we already blocked it off. So We're gonna put the holes where we want the holes, and they'll have grommets. So hopefully I can put them over here on the side, out of the way. So because the inner fender comes up, it comes over here. So I like to have the lines come over in this area if possible. But we gotta get the HVAC box mounted first. You can see it comes with all the mounting hardware or mounting brackets. So like I said, I'm just gonna weld like a stud, you know, weld the mounting points under the dash, so there's gonna be no holes. All the different size ducking, a couple different pieces. Got, you know, it's a long piece, so you just trim it, use it for a couple vents. And then the driver's vent, just gonna be by itself. So these mount under the dash, so it'll be like so. Little vent panel that goes on the center. So this will be your passenger vent, and then you have two in the center underneath the dash. So there's no holes cut into the dash. So this is the vent that goes in the center. You can adjust it. So you have two of those. So the only thing that's kind of bad about it, in my opinion, is the vent under the dash. That's the way the kit's designed to using these here. So it's pretty much the whole kit. It comes with the wiring harness. You got a couple relays, plugs into the module right here. Here it even comes with the new, because it's got the module, so it's got the little electronic, instead of the mechanical old style adjusters, you know, fan speed and everything. It's got a little updated electronic control. The new knobs. It looks like the original old style, but it's the new switches. So you can see the Novas originally come with the 3 knobs. So you have the fan, the temperature, and then the defrost. So now we're replacing them with the new electronic, because these are cable operated. You can see the cable. Right. The cable. Another cable right there. Oh, another cable over there. So all 3 cables. So that goes away. And it goes electronic. So that's pretty trick. The only thing that's missing is a compressor, because I ordered it that way, because I already have the compressor. But that's the whole AC system. But once we get that mounted, and then PCM mounted inside over here, then I'll be able to finish up the firewall. We'll do some light filler, light body work, and paint the firewall. But we'll get this off. Paint it with this off. We're going to send this out. So we're going to strip this down. We're going to powder coat this like a silvery kind of, so it's not all black. We're going to paint the firewall black, and then the inner fenders are black, so it'll be a little contrast. I got to do a little bit more to this. Now that I got the brake lines ran, I got to do a little bit fixing on the mounts, because like I said, I ground it down to clear the wrong mounts. So I got to fix that. Then I think the subframe front clip's going to go off the powder coat, and then we'll finish up the rest of the car. So just a quick little update, show you what we got for it. We're still waiting on the engine stuff. Should be here tomorrow. So then there'll be another video coming up, longer video. So that's what we got going on right now. That's the parts that showed up, so we can get going on that. So we're gonna mount that. We're gonna do the fuel lines. So come back, check out what's going on next.
All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this little quick video showing you the update that we got on the Chevy Nova right here. We got the AC parts all laid out here on the floor, and it's a mess. So we're gonna do a little bit of a cleaning up, because it's kind of a disaster. So we're gonna get cleaned up. We're gonna get more on this, and we're gonna have a video out shortly of us bolting the flywheel together onto the transmission, like I already said at the beginning of the video. So you got that to look forward to. So until next time, here's some other videos to check out. You got a playlist of the Nova if you haven't seen the other videos, and you got something, I don't know. Go and check it out. I'll see you guys next time.